As the coronavirus outbreak continues to affect all of us, we are reaching out to you to let you know that at Advanced Affordable Hearing, we are here to assist you in any way that we can. Now, with large parts of the world quarantined, it's easy to feel like you're alone, but you're not. We really are all in this together. And as we navigate these uncharted waters and learn how to better support one another, we want to assure you that we are open and we're operating according to our normal schedule and eager to continue helping you. We know that social distancing has made communication more difficult for everyone. And if you happen to suffer from hearing loss, communication is already difficult. You shouldn't have to deal with any extra communication barriers right now. So if your HearClear hearing aids need repair, please don't hesitate to contact us for help. If you need new hearing aids so you can better communicate, please just simply contact us. And if you're alone and just want to hear a friendly voice, we're here. Tell us how we can better support you, because none of us have navigated this unique situation before, and we're all learning as we go. We're only a phone call away, and we are waiting for you to pick up the phone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.